Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students, today discuss about equivalent fractions from your course book volume 2. So, yesterday already explained about equivalent fractions. Once again, today I am explaining. Listen carefully, beta. When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number, you can get equivalent fractions. See here, when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is multiplied by the same number, you can get equivalent fractions. See here, numerator and denominator are multiplied by 2. See here, this is the given fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2 numerator and denominator is multiplied by 2. Means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. Again, numerator and denominator are multiplied by 4. For example, 1 by 2 is the given fraction, is multiplied by 4. 1 by 2, this is original fraction into actual fraction into here 4, here 4. Means here 1 by 2 into 4 by 4, it can be written as 1 into 4 by 2 into 4. See, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next, numerator and denominator are multiplied by 6. Means 1 by 2 is multiplied by 6. Both numerator and denominator, 6 by 6. It can be written as 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So now we got new fractions, that is 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12. These three fractions are equivalent to 1 by 2. Equivalent to 1 by 2. Now we got fractions are 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12. See here, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12 are equivalent to 1 by 2. Then thus 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Did you understand? Equivalent. If you take any fraction, this fraction in it numerator and denominator is multiplied by different numbers. Means here 1 by 2 is multiplied by 2. Both numerator and denominator we can get 2 by 4. Again 1 by 2 is multiplied by 4. Numerator and denominator also multiplied by 4. We can get 4 by 8. Again 1 by 2 is multiplied by 6. So you can get 6 by 12. Here 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12. These are the new fractions. 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12. These fractions are equivalent to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12 are called equivalent fractions. Now again, see here, listen carefully. When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is divided by the same number, we can get equivalent fractions. When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is divided by the same number, we can get equivalent fractions. See here, now the given fraction I am taking 8 by 12. 8 by 12, numerator and denominator of a fraction is divided by 2. Means here 8 by 12 divided by 2. So it can be written, look at the blackboard, 8 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2. So you can read 2 table, not 8 table. 2 4 the 8. 12 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. So 8 by 12 is equals to 4 by 6. Again 4 by 6 is divided by 2. You can get 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, 2 by 3. Then here 8 by 12 and 4 by 6 are called equivalent fractions. Do you understand? So 8 by 12 and 4 by 6 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. See here, for every given fraction we can find uncountable number of equivalent fractions. Uncountable number of equivalent fractions you can find out for every given fraction. See here, 4 by 6. Again 4 by 6 is divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. See here, 2 3s are 6. So this is the last. See, because 2 by 3, there is no option for again simplification. Here 8 by 12, 4 by 6 and 2 by 3 are called also equivalent fractions. So here there is no common factor 2 and also 3. Here there is no common factor. Only one is the common factor. Then you can write 2 by 3 is the least one. Then you can stop it. Now here 8 by 12, 4 by 6 and 2 by 3 are equivalent fractions. Now next, comparing fractions. This is also very easy. Comparing fractions. So number of methods are there in comparing fractions. Now I am taking one method, that is easy method. Everybody listen carefully. comparing fractions. See here, everybody, see your course book page number 16. Rohan has a chocolate bar which has 8 pieces. Did you understand? Yeah. In it, Rohan has given 1/8 part of to it Vinay. So Vinay's voice. Rohan is given to Vinay 1/8 means 1/8 means total number of pieces of chocolate 8 in it is given to Rohan 1 chocolate. 2/8 means out of 8 chocolates 2/8 part of Vishal. So Vishal taken 2/8. 3/8 part of Vinod. See here, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. See here, 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates, 3 chocolates. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 chocolates completed, no? Remaining 2 chocolates. Who among the 3 got more quantity of chocolates? Also find who got the least amount of chocolates. See here, listen carefully. Let us compare here 1/8, here 2/8 means here 1 chocolate, here 2 chocolates, here 3/8 means how many chocolates? 3 chocolates. Okay. See, let us represent the above information in fractions. See, Vinay 1/8. Next Vishal 2/8. Next Vinod 3/8. Who got more chocolates? Vinod. See here, denominators are same. See here, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. In a given fractions, denominators are same. Now you can compare the numerators. See here, let us compare the numerators to the compare the fractions. Comparing the numerators, see here, 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. That's it, no? So 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. Then, so it can be said that see here, so it can be said that 3/8 is greater than 2/8 is greater than 1/8. Who got more chocolates, beta? We know the no. See here, the denominators should be same. Then you can compare the numerators. Which numerator is greater? That is the greater fraction of the other. Now here, therefore, Vinod got the biggest piece and Vinay got the smallest piece of chocolate. Vinay got biggest piece of chocolate and this is Vinod. Vinod got biggest chocolate piece and now 1/8. Who is Vinay? Vinay got 1/8 chocolate. Now here like fractions. See, once again I am explaining comparing of like fractions. See, for example, listen carefully better. Compare 2/8 and 16 by 8. So here given fractions are 2 by 8 and 16 by 8. See here these two like fractions because the given two fractions have denominator same. Then you can write 2 by 8, 16 by 8. So here in the given fractions the denominator should be same. Then you can compare the numerators. Then here which is the greatest numerator? So 16 is greatest numerator. Then other. So you can write it here less than symbol. So 2 by 8 is less than 16 by 8 or 16 by 8 and 2 by 8. Here also denominator same, but here you can use greater than symbol. Here you can use less than symbol and also here you can use greater than symbol. So in a given fractions, denominators are the same value, same number, then the fractions are called as like fractions. So here 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 11 by 5. These fractions are called like fractions. Why? Given fractions, the denominators having same number. So then they are called like fractions. Now here I am taking 2 by 5, 6 by 8. Unlike fractions. In a given two fractions, the denominators are different. So then they are called unlike fractions. The fractions having same denominator, then they are called like fractions. See here, like fractions. The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. See example, 2 by 4, 7 by 4, 9 by 4, 12 by 4. See here denominator same, 4, 4, 4, 4. Next, unlike fractions, fractions are having different denominators. See here, the fractions are having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example, see here, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 9 by 15. See here, did you observe? 2 by 7, 5 is the denominator. 3 by 7, 7 is the denominator. 9 by 15, 15 is the denominator. The fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay beta, today my class is completed. Thank you to all.